Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to turn off the data saver feature on Facebook. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, these steps will help you enjoy smoother scrolling, higher quality videos, and an overall better app experience. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, take a look at the top or bottom right corner of the screen, depending on your device, and tap the menu icon. That's the one with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. This will open a list of different options and settings. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more choices, and then tap Settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options for managing your account, privacy, notifications, and much more. But for now, we want to focus on the section that controls media usage. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Media option. Tap Media to continue. This is where Facebook lets you manage how photos and videos load in your app, especially when you want to save mobile data. Inside the Media settings, look for the toggle labeled Data Saver. When Data Saver is turned on, Facebook reduces the quality of photos and videos to use less data. If you want the best possible quality for everything you view, you'll need to turn this off. Simply tap the switch next to Data Saver to toggle it off. The switch will change color, showing that the feature is now disabled. That's it, you've successfully turned off the Data Saver feature. Now your feed will show videos and images in higher quality, without restrictions. Keep in mind that this might increase your data usage, especially if you're browsing on mobile networks instead of Wi-Fi. If you ever want to turn the feature back on, just revisit the same media settings and toggle Data Saver back to enabled. Thanks for watching.